Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the Dexter 7,000 pound torsion axle. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Dexter 7,000 pound electric brake torsion axle. It has the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. This particular one has 1/2-inch studs on it. It has the easy lube grease, so you can pop off this little rubber plug right here and it'll be a grease zert, so you can easily grease up your axle. It has the 12x2 electric brakes on it, and it has the torsion arm on it. And this whole tube right here is filled with rubber, allowing you to go down the road a lot smoother than your spring suspension. Comes fully assembled, ready to install. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thanks for watching.